Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to show the coming soon page in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account and click on websites. And next to your websites that you want to show the coming soon page on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first let's give it a visit. This is it live. Now to show the coming soon page for your website, it's simple. Click on pages, and then here below other pages, next to coming soon, enable this feature. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And then here below other pages, next to coming soon, enable this feature. While the coming soon mode is active, visitors will see this page instead of any other pages, or instead of any other website page. Publish your website for this coming soon page to show live. So click on update website and wait a moment. Now that my website is updated, let's return to my website, and here after I refresh this page, I should see a coming soon page. And this is the coming soon page enabled. If you still have a question, and this is how to show the coming soon page on your website in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.